Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy potato salad. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of potatoes, ideally waxy varieties like Yukon Gold or red potatoes for that perfect texture. We'll also use 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of crisp celery, and 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion. Don't forget a couple of tablespoons of mustard and your favorite seasonings to taste. This recipe is straightforward and delicious. Now let's prepare our potatoes. Wash and peel your 2 pounds of potatoes, then cut them into uniform 1-inch cubes. This ensures even cooking. Place these cubes into a large pot and cover them completely with cold water. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt to the water. This seasons the potatoes from the inside out. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, or until they are fork tender but not mushy. While the potatoes are cooking, let's whip up our creamy dressing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard for a classic tang. Next, finely chop about 1/2 cup of crisp celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. These add a wonderful crunch and flavor. Stir these fresh vegetables into the mayonnaise mixture. Finally, season the dressing generously with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of paprika to enhance the color and taste. Once your potatoes are perfectly cooked, drain them thoroughly and let them cool for about 10 minutes. This prevents the dressing from becoming watery. Now, gently fold the slightly cooled potatoes into your creamy dressing mixture. Be careful not to mash them. We want distinct potato pieces. Taste the salad and adjust the salt, pepper, or mustard as needed to suit your preference. For the best flavor, chill the potato salad in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.